Hello guys, this is how to fix the Valorant launcher not opening. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what we're going to go ahead and do in our search bar, we're going to type in Task Manager, then we're going to open up the Task Manager. And right here, we're trying to make sure that Riot client or Valorant is not open and is not operating in the background. So if it is, you'll be able to see it here and you go ahead and switch that off. You'll go ahead and close that program, go ahead and close that application. And then what you're going to go ahead and do next is we're going to right click on Valorant. Then we're going to open file location. Once the file location is open, we're going to go ahead and click on Riot Games right at the top there. Let's go ahead and make that big. Then we're going to click on Valorant. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Live, then Shooter Games, then Binaries, then Win64. Then we're going to scroll down until we find Val64 or Val Win64. Shipping. Then we're going to right click on that, go into properties, compatibility. Then we're going to make sure that the full screen optimization is disabled. So once we're sure of that, what we're going to go ahead and do, let's make sure. So once it has been disabled, we're going to go ahead and close that. And then in the search, we're going to type in services. Then we're going to open the services app. Then we're looking for the VGC. So we're going to go ahead and click on anything there and then click V. So what we're going to make sure that is that the startup is automatic and that it is running. So we're going to start and stop it. Just make sure that it's running. Then we're going to type in the Windows R key, then app data. Click on app data, local. We're going to scroll down till we find Riot Games. Open up Riot Games. Click on clients, data. So at the end there, it says YAML. You're going to make sure that after that YAML, you're going to rename and just put .1 and then click enter and then yes. And then once you've done that, you're going to go back to the search bar. Then you're going to type in device manager. Go ahead and open that. And then in the display adapter, let's just go ahead and make that a bit bigger. Let's double click display adapters. Then it's going to display all the graphics card. Just make sure that you update those. Click on search automatically and click on close. Then once that is done, you're going to go back into the search bar and search graphics. And then you're going to click on the graphics settings. So what we're trying to do here is to ensure that the Riot client is on high performance. So before we can do that, we need to add it. So we're going to click on browse. We're going to navigate to the Riot client file. Right there. Then we're going to add that. Let's make sure that it's added there. Then we're going to click on the options. Just make sure that it is on high performance. Then Then what we're going to do next is to ensure that Valorant is not running as an administrator. Um, so what we're gonna go ahead and do is to right click that. We can see that it is asking us to run it as an administrator, which is saying that it is not currently running as an administrator. So that is cool. You can see that right there. Um, so it is, you can see that right there, that it is not running as an administrator. So all those steps right there should fix the problem. But if that does not work, then the final solution would be in the search bar, you type in appwiz.cpl. Just seem to have written that incorrectly. Appwiz.cpl. Go ahead and open that. Then you're gonna scroll down till you find Riot Vanguard. Then you're gonna go ahead and right click that. Gonna go ahead and uninstall it. And then you would open up Valorant again, and then you'd go ahead and install it. So that's how you'd fix the Valorant launcher not opening. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.